Unboxing.
So, hindi kayo nakoko ko.
How about alabang?
Ano, papatayo ko dun. Layo. Tsaka, ay,
Malayo?
mahal. Hindi naman. Batangas, malayo.
Medyo malaki yung space mo dito. Dalawa dito daw sa baba.
Taray.
Or unless you want these two down here and then ito nasa room mo. So this is our new air purifier.
Wow. Thank you so much, Concept Store.
Okay, so this is the big one. You want one in your room or you want the small one in your room? Parang big, no? Isang big, isang small dito. It will cover everything. And then we'll put one big one in your room.
Di pwede yung, di ba punta kayo dito bukas?
Okay,
Saka siya
so-
ilagay, di ba?
This covers up to 43. This covers up to 73. So if there's two, then kasha cover lahat dito, diba?
Naku, madam, makikita ng kolo, dami kong kaninto.
Downstairs, there's 3. And then each room has 1. Even my closet has 1.
Para masarap daw yung hangin.
This is the most important thing to do. Kasi hindi ko to ginawa nung akin. Nalaman ko...
Filter?
Yes.
Ano yan? Papalitan?
No, I didn't open it when I set mine.
Oh.
So it was work. I had it on for 4 months na naka-plastic pa yung filter.
Ang galing. Pinagtitripan niya lang yung sarili niya.
Yes.
Naka-plastic.
Gawin natin. Ang pag-check ko, sabi ko, oh my God,
Tapos
naka-plastic.
tuwing kailan pinapalitan yung filter?
Mag-notif naman.
Sige, pa-check na lang pag pumunta ka.
Yes.
Tapos papalit na lang ng filter, charot. May maintenance na pala yung filter.
I'll be the maintenance.
May taga-maintenance.
Yung hangin na ini-inhale ni Katie so kailangan niya i-check.
Yes. Carbon filter.
So, yan yung mga naka-plastic na hindi niya tinanggal.
Oh, yes, lahat. Ito naka-HEPA. Kahit COVID, makukuha na to. And may UV.
Perfect. Chris.
Hihigupin niya, filter niya, may UV light pa, antibacterial, and then bubugan niya, yung clean air na. Makikita mo dito yung air particles.
Baka pwede natin ilagay sa taas, yung maliit, no?
Huh?
Para magamit na ni Katie.
She has bonding time with her TV, and she specifically told me, Papa, don't bother me. I said, okay.
Chris,
Yo!
okay lang daw, basta wag daw kayo magsasabi ng anything. Nakatakip na siya ng kumot. Kanya, basta wag silang magsasabi ng anything. Pwede daw iakyat, basta wag daw magsasalita. Sabi niya, sabi ko, akit lang sila, hatid lang para fresh yung air na ano. Sabi niya,
Under one condition.
wag magsasalita.
Let's get ready before we go up.
Etong ano, air purifier, nakabukas lang siya.
Bukas lang siya.
Start na siyang bukas ganyan.
Yep.
Kahit walang tao, dapat nakabukas siya.
Yep, just leave it on.
Pinapatay din siya, hindi.
Pwede. Kailangan 8 inches away from the wall. Yeah.
Ano siya, nag-iba-iba siya ng speed. Auto, silent, pwede din.
1, 2, 3, and then UV. Habang nandito ako, set up na lang natin yung mga air purifier para pagbaba nito. Set up. There it goes. Tomorrow when they wake up, they're gonna have clean air. Thank you, Concept Store.